plastic battery, and it can also roll around. And we have also 8 plus. So this side we have that. It has also battery power, science toy, and 51 pieces. So that before starting, let's look at the pieces inside the box. So we have this giant dark blue piece. We have white pieces that we need to cut. And we have this white piece, this medium giant piece. We have orange pieces too. So we have also wheels, 6 wheels, and an instruction, 2 more orange pieces, I don't know why, and 1 more white piece, and don't forget some stickers. Oh, we have also blue pieces, 6 blue pieces. And also tiny pieces that we need to not lose them. So, and also the box. We have that here. So I think we have to start.